This is a cervical cancer patient. We are putting the radioisotope in the cervix. The radioisotope will spread the radiation in the cervix. This will destroy the cancer cells with the help of the radiation. The patient is a female, so we are maintaining the privacy of the patient. We are putting the radioisotope there where the cancer is having. If the patient is having the cancer in the cervix, so radioisotope is put in the cervix only. It will generate the radiation. The radioisotope will generate the radiation when the cervix, and it causes lot of pain to the patient. It is a very painful procedure because when the radiation are spreading all over the body or where the part is getting affected, it causes lot of pain in a patient. In cancer, radiation is given and it causes lot of pain while taking the radiation, because radiation is a caution. When we are giving the radiation, it means we have to take the caution in that. When the patient is having the cancer, in that radiation is given, so it causes lot of pain to the patient as well as it affect to all the body parts. The radiation affect to all the body parts, like it affect the teeth. The patient may lost his teeth. The patient is losing hairs. The patient may lose their organs. The patient body parts will be becoming black. This type of problems the patient will be facing when the patient is having the radiation in the cancer therapy. It causes lot of pain. The only point is that without having the surgery, with the help of the radiation, we can destroy the cancer cells. That much only we can do. If it is not holding with the radiation, then we have to perform the surgery as well.